Today I'm going to be showing you how to create standout eyes in less than 5 minutes. It's all about how to take your look from day to evening with Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. To prep the eye, I'm going to be using the perfectly defined Longwear brow pencil. With your applicator on one end and a groomer brush on the other, it's so easy to just go in and fill in your brows to really frame the eye before going in with eye makeup. Firstly, the front of the brow there, just brushing up the hair to really create that lift, and then using the tip of the applicator to add a little more definition through the top and the arch of the brow. And this instantly lifts the eye. From there, I'm going to be using the brow groomer brush on the other side and just using this to brush up the hair to hold it in place and again, give you that really soft yet defined finish. And this 16-hour wear formula is perfect to take you from day to evening. Next, I'm going to be going from day to evening with the Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. So I'm going to be using 2 cream shadows, one in a mid-tone that's great for all over the lid, one in a dark tone that's perfect to create either a Longwear liner or a beautiful smoky eye. First, I'm going to be going in with Golden Bronze Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. And these are super long wearing, so you can apply straight on the lid, you don't need an eye base with them, and you just use your finger to blend out. Often a great tip is to follow the shape of your brow bone. So where we naturally arch in our brow, just going a little bit higher in that area to really give you that soft, smoked out finish. And drawing along the lash line, blending about halfway up the lid, and then just using your fingers to blend the rest of the excess out. For a slightly more stronger look for the day, just take the same colour underneath the lashes for a really subtle smoky eye. Now to instantly smoke up the eye, I'm going to be going in with Bark Longwear Cream Shadow Stick. You can use this in 2 ways. So you can use it as a liner along the lash line, and I can't even tell you how easy this is to do just by using your fingers to really smudge that out. That's still great for a day smoky eye. Then if you want to go full on, I'm going to take this about half the way up the lid, still not needing a brush for it, just drawing on the lid and then going in and using my fingers to blend out. Now a great tip for this is to always blend down towards the lash, because you do want the darkest area of the eye to be the lash line. That way you're drawing more attention to the eye versus the makeup. From there, I'm still going to layer up underneath. Now what really makes the most of a smoky eye is a dark lower lash line. So just by going a little bit deeper there, still just using my finger to really smudge that in underneath. And again, focusing all the way from the inner corner right the way to the outer corner to give you that even and smooth application. And then the key product that I can't live without is Smoky Eye Mascara. It gives you that real false lash effect, and with its jet black pigment, instantly boosts that smoky eye. I love to really add drama at the lash line by pushing it through the lash line and then combing it through the tips of the lashes. And this formula just gives you that real standout eye effect, with 0 clumping and no drying at all. And then for the low lash lines, it's a great tip just to take the tip of the wand of your mascara and softly brush side to side so that you don't get any heavy application and you almost get that soft feathery finish.